tested and ready to explore. It's so nice out.
Yeah.
Like, it's not too hot.
How you guys doing?
Very good.
Welcome. Where you guys from?
Canada.
Canada, okay. I'm from part of Canada. That's my spot.
Yeah.
That's my spot. I love Toronto.
I know.
Look, put your camera up there.
Oh, they're bags. Oh, one came down. Look. That was pretty cool.
Stay behind. Don't go with the time to run. I'm the first one. This is what we call shepherd needle. This is what the bees fly around when they're doing their pollen and all that, right? Wow. Want to taste it?
Yeah.
Big old bees. There you go. Yeah.
Don't it taste more like an almond to you?
Yeah. It's softer.
It's like leaves.
Like that, this one here, it actually moves, so the head.
Oh, wow.
Take them upstairs.
What is this place?
This is a shopping mall.
But in the resort?
That's what it seems like.
Did we stay at the wrong resort?
No, because we can't afford this place.
is our last day. Just got back from breakfast and going to definitely make the most out of today. Headed back down to the beach very, very soon. Hair's still a mess. We get picked up by the shuttle tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Actually, this morning we got the results back from our COVID tests and we filled out like the ArriveCan app stuff. Both negative, obviously, but yeah. Definitely sad to go, but sort of excited to get back home, see my adorable kitty and my baby turtle. And, yeah, so. Also, rent is due today. The towels first. Look, there's people in the big pool.
Thank you. Oh, like crazy? Oh, maybe we shouldn't. Come on, strong man. Are you okay? Okay. We're ready to go eat. Architect. You want to guess where all this sand was? I'll tell you, not in a good place. Oh, it's pretty. It stripes.
Yeah, it looks like a movie.
It's pretty chilly in here, so we just reorganized our baggage.
We had to shed 4 pounds. We put on too much weight.
Do a nice 180. My bag is very full. The color, questionable, extremely questionable. This is the peanut butter cup macchiato, and it's orange. Hold on, taste this. I like that, and I haven't even put mixed the coffee in. It sort of goes like.
It's very sweet.
It is. Whoa. I would have probably gotten another shot of espresso though. I don't want to go back to the cold.
Les appareils électroniques portatifs doivent être réglés en mode avion.
I ended up getting an entire row to myself and transferred over all of the video clips from my phone to my laptop on the plane ride back. After I airdropped all of the files to my laptop, I accidentally clicked the open all button and then had to scramble to close like 400 videos that had all tried to open at the same time. But before we knew it, we were back home in Canada.
I don't know if you heard what happened to the couple that was next to us, like to the right.
Yeah, and then we still live.
I was like, please no, please no. We're back and starving Tim's, and of course, an ice cream. Hello!
Well, we got off the plane like 1:50, and then
Where's my stinky girl? Stinky! Where are you? Stinky? Hi! Where are you? Baby! Oh my gosh! Is that Mama's stinky girl under the bed? Oh my gosh! I missed you so much! Oh my gosh! Look at this stinky girl! Hey, Beth. Hi, darling. Hi, Papa. Did you miss me? Yeah. We have a few beers.
No. Come here. Come here. Okay, look down. Where was it? Happy ending. After all of that.